What's up, boys? Hot out, dude. Stupid hot. I'm gonna walk around this way. It's Saturday, like 88 degrees. We're hitting the lake, dude. Check it. That van coming in clutch like always. But nope, we're gonna fill this one up, go hook up the trailer with my GP and Bobby's XP. We're gonna head out, dude. Morse Reservoir. Let's get it. All right. We got the GP XP hooked up, dude. The van, we're in the field, about to pull out of this and freaking hit the lake, dude. We gotta wait on Bob. Yeah. Huh?
It sounded like he might have been driving.
Huh?
Said 10 minutes.
That's what he said. Just some of that ski craft, dude. Put that klutz in there, dude.
About $30
All right, dude. Eight's a little hotter. That's why they fouled. Actually, I know why they were 9s. Because that one time that I flipped it over, got water in it.
I threw him with Clark Pine. You liked it? That's my old one.
Mm-hmm.
That ain't bad.
Fucking better than this cocksucker.
Probably a little big though, because I was real fast.
I gotta remember to put gas in this van.
We gonna make it?
Let's get it, dude. Lake, dude. Get that gas, Bob. Get that gas, no question about it. We gonna ride it. Get the folk. Yeah, that thing's crooked, dude. Look how crooked that is. Yeah, dude. Bob, this is the new owner of my old XP. That thing is clean as shit. What? I wonder if I'll reach mine. Then we hit the whoa. No question about it. We go ready. She say you so fly and you so smooth, and then we hit the whoa. Here we go. Getting that gas, dude. Then we're going to the ramp. Freaking ramp. Dude, this packed all the way back to the road. Fuck. That's crazy. It's crazy, dude. We're gonna get in though, dude. There it is, dude.
Take a video.
Oh yeah, look, there's a fucking tournament over there.
Yep.
Are you kidding me?
There's a bass tournament.
Why do they have a
dude.
bass tournament here if there's no goddamn fish in the lake?
Oh, these Fiats trying to get in the freaking boat ramp. If you don't know how to freaking back up a trailer or drive a boat, don't buy a boat. Hey, about to do that one hitter, that double trouble. That one pay 3 skis, we're putting it in, dude. We're giving it a try. Howdy.
Gotta
All right, boys. We out here. Max, Bobby up there, dude. We're chilling. It's so nice out. It's busy as all get out, though. Hey, we're about to get it, dude. We got them GoPros on. Dude, we're out here. Found me a noodle. Max, he's falling off like a idiot.
Hi, dude.
Bobby's over there with his G thing, tipping over all the time because he can't have two people on an XP. Whoop! I don't know what I'm gonna do with this noodle, but I'll probably keep it. I'm gonna tie it on the front or something. Man, look at these waves coming, dude. Holy crap. All right, dude, we're just ripping. Have a good time. about to go into business selling noodles, dude. There's a freaking hot here. Noodle? Noodle? Dude, I'm just gonna collect all the noodles, dude. Just have 100 of them. It's noodles galore, dude. Noodles galore. Noodle, noodle. Hey, where's the noodle? Hey, where's that red one at? Huh? Heck yeah, dude. We're about to pull out. The line's all the way back of the road, so we got a minute, dude. But it's been a good day. It's still freaking hot. I don't know what we're gonna do, but hey, we're riding tomorrow. Stay tuned for that, dude. Ready. Dude, 2 hours later, we're about to pull out, dude. I waited all the way from the freaking road all the way to here, dude. This is rowdy. Finally made it. Let's get these suckers out. I gotta back this van all the way down into the water to get Max's back in here. So it's a show. I wish I could record it, but I don't have anyone to freaking record it. All my GoPros are dead. But trust me, it's funny. All right, dude.
Food?
Huh? I do want to get some food.
I'll take my truck.
And we got that in there. Both of them are loaded up. It's been a good day, boys. It's Saturday night. Sunday morning, heading to the track tomorrow morning. So anyway, rowdy, PowerShift out, brother.